the world's oceans are witnessing a resurgence of naval power. Among the key players are China and India, each with its own maritime ambitions. Protecting these ambitions are sophisticated warships, including the Chinese Type 054A and the Indian Shivalik-class frigates. These vessels represent the cutting edge of their respective fleets. They are designed for a multitude of roles in modern naval warfare. The Type 054A, with over 30 in service, is the backbone of the Chinese surface fleet. It focuses on anti-submarine warfare, but also packs a punch in surface warfare. The Shivalik-class, with 3 ships in service, is India's first foray into stealth frigates. It boasts a more diverse weapons suite, designed for anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine roles. Both frigates are essential to their navies, protecting sea lanes and projecting power far from home. Comparing these frigates offers a glimpse into the evolving naval capabilities of these Asian giants. It also provides valuable insights into their strategic priorities. The Type 054A's numbers reflect China's focus on expanding its maritime presence. The Shivalik-class's advanced technology highlights India's pursuit of a qualitative edge. Understanding these ships is crucial for grasping the dynamics of naval power in the Indo-Pacific region. The Type 054A frigate excels in anti-submarine warfare with its hull-mounted and towed array sonar. It carries U-7 torpedoes and rocket-launched depth bombs. For surface warfare, it has 8 YJ-83 anti-ship missiles. Its 76mm cannon defends against smaller combatants. The 32-cell VLS launches HQ-16 missiles for air defense. 2 Type 730 CIWs provide a last line of defense. Over 30 ships in service enhance operational experience. This allows wide deployment, boosting China's maritime power. Despite its strengths, the Type 054A has notable weaknesses. Its sensors are less sophisticated than some Western and Russian counterparts. The air defense system has limitations, making it vulnerable to saturation attacks. Reliance on Russian-designed gas turbines raises reliability concerns. This could impact operational availability on extended deployments. Compared to the Shivalik-class, it has a smaller main gun and fewer anti-ship missiles. Its anti-air capabilities are less comprehensive than some contemporaries. The Shivalik-class frigate represents a significant leap forward for the Indian Navy. Its most striking feature is its stealth design. The ship incorporates radar-absorbent materials and angled surfaces to minimize its radar cross-section. This design makes it more difficult for enemy radars to detect and track, giving it a tactical advantage in combat. The Shivalik-class boasts a versatile weapons suite for a ship of its size. It features 8 BrahMos supersonic anti-ship missiles. The BrahMos, with its high speed and range, is one of the most capable anti-ship missiles in the world. This missile gives the Shivalik-class a significant offensive punch, capable of threatening even larger warships. The Shivalik-class excels in air defense. It employs a 32-cell vertical launch system capable of firing Barak 1 surface-to-air missiles. These missiles, with a range of over 70 kilometers, provide a robust area defense against aircraft and anti-ship missiles. The Shivalik-class also features 2 AK-630 close-in weapon systems for close-range defense against incoming missiles. The Shivalik-class benefits from a high degree of automation and a compact design. Its crew size is significantly smaller than that of older Indian frigates, allowing for greater efficiency and reduced operating costs. This automation also enhances its combat effectiveness by reducing reaction times and improving coordination between systems. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Shivalik-class is not without its drawbacks. The most notable is its limited operational experience. With only 3 ships in service, the Indian Navy is still developing tactics and procedures for its deployment. This lack of experience could be a disadvantage in a complex naval engagement. The Shivalik-class's ASW capabilities, while present, are not its primary focus. Its hull-mounted sonar is considered less capable than those found on dedicated ASW frigates like the Type 054A. Its lack of a towed array sonar further limits its ability to detect submarines at longer ranges. This limitation could be a vulnerability in certain operational scenarios. The Shivalik-class's reliance on a combined gas turbine and diesel propulsion system, while efficient, has raised concerns about reliability. This system, known as CODOG, involves switching between engines for different speeds. The complexity of this system could lead to maintenance challenges and potentially impact operational availability. The Shivalik-class's small size, while offering advantages in terms of cost and maneuverability, also limits its endurance and capacity for growth. It has a shorter range and less space for future upgrades compared to larger frigates. This limitation could become more pronounced as technology advances and the demands on warships increase.